your full guard, Millie. You gotta get into your full guard. Don't stop until you have your legs wrapped around. Good, Seth. Don't fall into her guard, Seth. You gotta pass. Just look for a pass. Hands on the belt, use the pass she got you. There you go, elbows in. One knee in, one knee out. One knee in, one knee out. There you go. One knee in, one knee out. Good. Now start pushing down. Good. Start pushing down. Good.
Get up,
back up. Do it again. You're about to break it. Do it again. Good. Press down. One knee in, one knee out.
Get your left knee out. There you go, buddy.
Good. Push down the knee.
Let's go, Malia.
Close your leg out. Good.
Go, Malia. Go.
Do it again. Let's go. We gotta open up that guard, Seth. She's gonna sweep us. You gotta open up the guard. Worry about her belt right now. Worry about her belt. If you're pushing down on her stomach, she can't sit up. Push down on her stomach. There you go. Push down that knee. Good. Step over. Control. Don't bump your back.
All right, Seth.
Now look for a sweep.
Let her pass your guard, Seth. Let her pass your guard.
Get to your full guard, Seth. Full guard. Wrap your arms. Wrap your legs around them. Grab her and pull her into your full guard. Grab her and pull her in.
Your legs up.
Bring her in. Pull her in. She's not gonna go in if you don't pull her in. Let's go, Seth.
Legs, right?
There we go. Pull her in. She's going in.
Move your
knees.
Move your side.
There
Get
you
your
go.
side, Malia.
Step away a little bit. Get your knee across.
Keep working.
Good.
5 seconds
There you go. She can't pass your guard. Don't let her pass your guard.